Once in my hands, the Edge 60 Pro immediately conveys durability beneath its refined exterior. There's a quiet confidence in the way it feels, rigid, well-balanced, and impressively sturdy. Knowing it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, rated for twice the drop in scratch resistance, adds a layer of peace of mind that you can actually feel when using it one-handed. The 6.7-inch borderless POLED display is simply stunning. As the screen lights up, colors burst to life with an intensity that feels rich but controlled. The Super HD resolution delivers sharp text and crisp visuals, while the 120 Hz refresh rate makes every swipe, scroll, and animation feel impossibly smooth. There's no jitter, no hesitation, just fluid motion. HDR10 Plus support becomes immediately noticeable when viewing media. Highlights pop, shadows retain detail, and contrast feels natural rather than exaggerated. Paired with Dolby Atmos, sound feels wide and immersive, creating a surprisingly cinematic experience from a slim, elegant device. Despite its premium feel, this is clearly a phone built for real life. Add in military-grade durability testing, and the Edge 60 Pro feels ready for environments far